I really thought long and hard and really looked into my options when I was deciding how to resolve my debts. Here are my 2 cents. You need to ask yourself a couple of questions if you are struggling with debt. What are your objectives and how much can you afford? A lot of people wrongly worry about their credit score. Only if you have a credit about 700 should you worry about your credit. If your credit is below 650, you won't get any offers on good terms anyway. Instead, your focus should be saving money and building up an emergency fund. Know that cash in the bank is king, not the illusion of credit. Good credit lets you borrow more money. But if you have a problem paying the debts you have, you should be worrying about dealing with those first, not more credit. What can you afford to pay towards dealing with your debts is also important. If you can afford to pay the full balance and your credit is above 700, you should not let the debt charge off. Instead, discuss a hardship program with your lender. Most lenders will work with you, but you will still have to pay close to what you currently are and may have to cut up your cards. Also know that most hardship programs don't work, so be sure you can finish. If you cannot afford to pay much or have other more pressing bills than your credit cards, you should resolve your debts at the lowest possible cost. Know that the only way unsecured debts like credit card debt, medical bills, and personal loans can be legally collected is if they sue you, win a judgment in court, and are able to enforce the judgment by garnishing your wages, which is a long and expensive process, and most creditors will not pursue the debt if you put legal roadblocks like hiring a law firm who can dispute the debt and demand validation, which are your rights. A law firm can also catch the debt collector in a legal violation, which can put money in your pocket and even wipe out the debt.